hotel business model is discussed under the heading of Trading and Hospitality Services in GST Act. Heading for Hospitality Services is classified under the head 9963. Groups in this heading are accommodation services, it's about hotel and campsites 99631. Again, accommodation services, it's about rooms and hostels 99632, and food and edible preparations 99633. Accommodation services. The GST rate for accommodation in hotels, inns, guest house, clubs, campsite or other places meant for residential or lodging purpose are based on value of supply with effect from 27th July 2018. If value of supply is less than rupees 1000, it is nil rated. Value of supply of rupees 1000 or more but less than rupees 2500, it will subject for 12%. Value of supply of rupees 2500 or more but less than rupees 7500, it will subject for 18%. Value of supply is rupees 7500 or more, it will subject for 28%. For accommodation services, place of supply is where place is supplied. Hence, on this service IGST cannot be charged. Accommodation services supplied to SEZ unit. As per section 7 subsection 5 subsection B of IGST Act, supply of goods or services or both to SEZ unit or SEZ developer is interstate supply. It has been held that in case of accommodation services supplied to employees and guests of SEZ unit outside the SEZ are taxable to CGST and SGST. Star rating are not relevant for GST rate. The rates are on the basis of tariff and not on the basis of star rating. Thus, even a 5-star hotel, the GST rate will be on the basis of declared tariff only. Supply of food or drinks as a part of service is supply of service. Supply by way or as a part of any service or in any other manner whatsoever of goods, being food or any other article for human consumption or any drink but other than alcoholic liquor for human consumption, where such supply or service is for cash, deferred payment or other valuable consideration, is supply of service, which is been also said under Indian Constitution as per Article 366 subsection 29A subsection F. Thus, the Constitution states that supply is deemed sale of goods, while CGST Act states that it is supply of service. Any supply of food where element of service is involved is supply of service. The definition does not use the words in restaurant or in eating joint or in a mess. Thus, any supply of food where some service is involved will be supply of service. Thus, even home delivery of cooked food will be supply of service. However, sale of tinned food items or stored items is sale of goods, as no service element is involved. Thus, sale of packed food or pre-prepared sweets or samosa across the counter is not supply of service. However, same item supplied in restaurant or eating joint is supply of service. Rate of GST for supply of food in restaurant, eating joints and canteen. The rate for supply of food or drink in any restaurant, eating joint, canteen, takeaway food is 5%, that is 2.5% CGST and 2.5% SGST. The canteen, mess, cafeteria or dining space may be in factory, office, school, college or hospital, etc. It may be run by owner or by a contractor. The GST rate applies to takeaway food also. This rate is not applicable in following two cases. Number 1, hotel, guest houses, etc., where declared tariff of any unit is rupees 7,500 or above per unit per day. Number 2, event based and occasional based outdoor and indoor catering. In these two cases, GST rate is 18%, where input tax credit is also available. Supply of food or drink in train or platform. Supply of goods being food or any other article for human consumption or any drink by the Indian Railways or Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited or their licensees, whether in trains or at platforms, is subjected to 5%. Supply of food in canteen, offices, etc. on contractual basis. Activity of supply of food in canteens of office, factory, hospital, college or industrial units, etc. on contractual basis, the rate will be 5%. Supply of food with and without transportation facilities. If applicant provides food to students' mess, training institutions, etc., GST rate is 5%. However, if applicant provides transportation services to a training institute for catering the food from one building to another for service and applicant charges separate transportation charges, applicant needs to discharge GST on gross amount at 18%. Supply of food in food court of theatre. Supply of food items, soft drinks and snacks in food court or snack bar of theatre is classified under service. Thus, GST rate will be at 5%. Supply of food at event based occasional outdoor and indoor functions, the GST rate is 18%, where input tax credit is also available. Supply of food and sweets in restaurant cum sweet shop. It was held that sweet shop is extension of restaurant. It is composite supply with restaurant as principal supply, and GST rate is 5%. Canteen services provided in recognized educational institutions. If canteen service is supplied in college by the educational institution itself, there is no tax liability. However, if it is supplied through contractor, it will be subjected for 5%. Supplying cold drink in restaurant. The GST rate on cold drinks is 40%. However, if it is sold in restaurant as a part of restaurant services, then it is composite service and GST rate should be 5%. GST on takeaway counter, that is food parcels, will be subjected for 5%. Sale of liquor and food from same premises. Separate invoice should be made for sale of liquor, as liquor belongs to state excise, and supply of food as it belongs to GST law. They could not opt for composite scheme as supplying non-taxable liquor. Food supplied to weaker sections of society. Food preparations put up in unit containers and intended for free distribution to economically weaker sections of the society under a program duly approved by central government or any state government is exempt from tax. Frozen food items will be subjected for following rates: frozen plain chapatis, rotis, which fall under the entry 99 capital A and rate is 5%. Frozen non kulcha fall under residual entry 453 and rate is 18%. Frozen corn chips, corn taco, rate is 18%. Frozen pizza base will be subjected for 18%. Thank you. Do subscribe.